We start with daily chart, and as you can see, based on daily chart, we are within this downtrend. And when the price was within here, we mentioned if the price could break the lowest price of this correction, following by divergence, then from there we can look for the reversal. This is what we get, and right now I'm looking for the reversal. If I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. And as we can see, if we put this low relative to the previous one, and if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That's mean we're looking for buy as a reversal. But at this point, we don't have any trade setup, and we have to look for trade based on lower time frame. And as a long term, we can, with the breakout of the previous stop, which is 120.3, we can look for 142 following by 170 as a long term target. By the way, if we move to lower time frame, and even based on forward chart, if we put this low relative to the previous one, and if we refer to the indicators, we see we had a divergence, even based on MACD and other indicator. That's why from now, if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. But simply, we cannot take the trade because still we can expect this one to be in relative to any of this for the next drop. To look for next trade, we have to wait for the flag or correction before we take the next trade. And based on lower time frame, we can look for targets as a short term. Based on lower time frame, we can look for 44 as the first target, following by 47, following by 51. Actually, we need to see the breakout of these lines. Okay, by the way, even based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And if I move to 1 hour chart, we want to see whether we can get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame. Based on 1 hour chart, first, for those traders, they get the trade for buy from here, at least move the stop loss to break even. And even if we want to look for buy, we have to wait for the flag of correction, and the breakout of the previous stop is very important for us. That's mean if we get opportunity for buy, we have to see the continuation as a short move, and we have to see the breakout of the previous stop. We have to see the confirmation to breakout of this correction for continuation. We need to be really careful. And by the way, at this point, we don't have any trade setup. We have to wait. For those traders, they get the trade for buy within this one, either move their stop loss to break even or book some profit, because still we can expect this one to be in relative to any of this for the next drop. And even if anyone wants to look for sell, they have to wait for the price drop sharply, following by flag. This is where we can consider the price is going to give us one more drop at least. For sure, if you get one more drop, any trade for buy from there, it can give us better confirmation, better trade setup, but we don't need to wait for that. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.